Hey everyone, let's talk about this. This is an odd little microphone. This is a dynamic microphone. It is not a carbon microphone. I'm still building and selling those. So go to Reverb today to get yours. But this thing is using, as a microphone element inside it, something that used to be part of a Soviet telephone receiver. In fact, the thing that's being used as a microphone at one point was the earpiece. So for the handset, it was the piece you press to your ear and you could hear when you make telephone calls. This is an all plastic construction. So obviously it's mimicking a Shure 55 form factor, the Elvis mic, but it's all plastic, unlike every other microphone I've shown off here, which are all metal. This one is plastic, and it weighs nothing. It weighs like absolutely nothing. It really does feel like a toy. Without any more further ado, let's hear how it sounds.